2, 3, 4. Got plenty of money too. That's why I'm laying awake.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cara Marie and I've been on keto since December 2017. I thought I would take this opportunity to share with you a keto travel vlog. So for the next 30 days, I'm going to be vlogging every day and show you what I'm eating and where I'm going. I started keto 2017, and in the first year that I was on it, I had really great results. I lost 40 pounds, I had good energy, and yeah, I was just really loving it. In 2019, I had a big lifestyle change, I guess you could say. We sold our house and we started full-time traveling on the road. And I guess during that time, we were just in more of a relaxed state. You know, we went out more, we socialized more with other people, and yeah, we tried a lot of the local food because it was amazing. And now, after 2019 is coming to a close, unfortunately, all my extra cheating while being on keto has added up, and I have put on some of my weight back, and I really thought it would be great to do a 30-day vlog because this will help me with accountability and I can show you what I'm eating and where I'm going. So let's get into it. I think a good place to start is to do a weigh-in and some before pictures so that we have something to compare. So although I really do not want to step on the scale, let's get it done. Okay. So I don't have my fancy scale that I used to have that has my fat percentages, but this will have to do. All right, here we have it. Almost at 180. And yeah, so when I first started keto, I was at 200 pounds, over 200 pounds. And then the 2018, I had lost over 40 pounds. So I'm up 20 pounds. I think that that's manageable, and I think that we can get rid of that weight. So let's go. So we are in Los Barriles, Baja, Mexico. And we are free camping here in the arroyo. Lots of beautiful beach and sun, hard to complain about all that. Anyway, I'll give you a tour around. This is the kite surfing capital of Baja, so it's pretty awesome. Back from the beach, and now it's time to get some supper going. So tonight we're gonna make one of my favorite dishes. It's quick and easy. It's called egg roll in a bowl. First thing, chop up one whole cabbage. Okay, next let's dice up a little bit of onion, maybe a few tablespoons, and get that sauteing with some butter in the frying pan. Probably do about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, we're gonna add 2 cloves of crushed garlic to that. Now, if I have ginger, I like to add that as well. Maybe like a tablespoon of ginger root, grated ginger root, but don't have that today. Okay, we have a pound of ground beef here we're going to saute up, and I also will do this with ground pork, but I couldn't find any. All right, now I'm going to add some chicken stock. I have this jelly chicken stock. I'm going to add about a quarter. Also, a few tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, that was supposed to be 2 tablespoons. I think I ended up with about a quarter cup, but whoopsies. We'll just boil it off a little bit. Okay, now we're just going to toss in this cabbage, stir fry it up for a few minutes, and we'll call that done. It looks like a lot of cabbage, but it'll all wilt right down. So I think this is where I'll leave it. You still want the cabbage to have a little bit of texture. Okay, now we're just going to add a little bit of sesame oil drizzled on top. This is 109 pesos, not dollars. That would be some expensive oil. Okay, and also some sriracha. Ready to enjoy. All right, just gonna finish up some supper, and then I think we're in for a full moon tonight. So we'll check that out later.